welcome to 818 Cabin Creek in Pittsboro. Let me show you guys this almost 3,500 square feet custom made home. Once we get inside the house, we see the formal dining and you're looking out to the front yard. Here is your walk-in pantry, really big size. Here is your laundry room with a little sink, washer and dryer conveys, and your little bar. And here is your stove, Viking Professional top of the line appliances, microwave, and Viking Professional fridge. And through here you have your closet and your half bath on the first level. This house has, hello everybody, this house has 4 bedroom, 3 full bath, 1 half bath. And here is your kitchen, long island, really nice. And their coffee station, 6 stove burner with griddle in the middle, and your 2 gas stoves. And here is your kitchen dining, and you can also put more bar stools right here for your breakfast. This house also has a really nice, well done sunroom for the cozy summer and spring times. And here is your main living area with a gas stove. Here is the backyard. You're sitting on 0.39 acres of land, and it backs to golf hole number 14. And here is the primary suite. Really generously sized primary suite, looking out to the backyard as well. I'm pretty sure this is a queen or king bed, and humongous walk-in closet, his and her side, so nobody's fighting for nothing. And double vanity, 2 sections. And here's your shower, bathtub, really nice. And the carpet is new too. Like I said, the sellers did so many renovations and so many updates to the house, interior and exterior. Let me show. There are 2 primary suites, one on the first level and one on the second level. Right now it's being used, the second level one is being used as a little recreational area, but this is also humongous. Check this out. Really nice. This should be his and her closet, and you can put a bed right there, TV, change the door. That's storage. Really nice. Yeah, thank you guys. This is 818 Cabin Creek in Pittsboro. And if you have any questions, please give me a call. This is Wang with West Real Estate. Thank you guys.